Tanishka, I study in class 5. Everyone, my name is Shri and I study in 5th grade.
I'm Arya Pathak from Amber International 7th Alpha.
My name is Samarjit. I am from class 6.
Hello, my name is Devasya. I'm in 7th grade, 7V, and I'm studying in Dubai, IHS, Indian High School.
Hi everyone, my name is Akshaya and I'm studying in
My mom is amazing teacher too, and also she taught me so many concepts that helped me to improve my math. So thank you, Shruti. I'll be going to talk about how was my experience in the Vedic class. It was such a nice experience to learn about new methods like multiply by 9 and multiply by 999, crisscross method, and etc. It was such a nice experience to join.
Vedic Math classes, it is really fun to attend the classes. Big sums can be solved in more times and the methods can also be applied to schools similar to the problems given in the class.
Ma'am, Vedic classes. I had joined ma'am's classes in the month of March 2022. I am benefited from the class and today I have less fear solving sums. I was slow in calculating which has improved, and today I can use Vedic math techniques learned in regular math.
Like Vedic Maths, it was fun and I could understand everything. It is very easy to learn and it will help you. It can help you in further grades and further studies to do maths faster, like different portions, and it is really fun and I recommend it.
Shruti ma'am is an amazing teacher. She taught many concepts that I wasn't taught from my school. She gave extra attention to me so that I can improve my strength in maths. So thank you, Shruti ma'am.